Is Avalanche about to explode past $50 or crash back to $10? Today we're breaking down the truth behind AVAX, the upgrades, the whales, and the wild price predictions that could make or break your portfolio in 2025 to 26. Welcome back to your own network, where we turn crypto chaos into clarity. If you're serious about catching the next big move, smash that like and subscribe button and let's dive in. Avalanche just rolled out its biggest upgrade yet, Granite, boosting speed, authentication, and cross-chain power. Meanwhile, Anthony Scaramucci-backed AVAX One announced a $40 million buyback. That's not retail hype, that's institutional confidence. But here's the catch. AVAX dropped 25% in November, proving this coin is as volatile as it is promising. Short-term analysts see resistance at $20 to $25. Break that, and we could test $50 to $60. Long-term bulls? Some predict $239 by 2030, and even crazier, $30,000 by 2050. Sounds insane. But remember, people laughed at Bitcoin at $100. So, here's the real question. Is Avalanche the next Ethereum killer, or just another overhyped altcoin riding the ETF wave? Granite proves the tech is evolving. Institutional buybacks prove confidence, but retail sentiment still shaky. Drop your AVAX price prediction in the comments. Bullish or bearish, we want to hear it. And if you're holding AVAX, let's see those diamond hands. Don't forget to subscribe, because the next altcoin breakdown could be the one that changes your portfolio forever.